Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new Vosser Queen Air Mattress. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take it out of the box and take a look at it. Inside of the box, we got the air mattress itself folded neatly. It's compact, and here's the storage bag that comes with it, making it really convenient to pack and carry it around. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry or store when you're done using it. Once folded, the mattress has a good size and feels durable even before inflating. Now for the inflation process. It does have a built-in air pump, makes everything so much easier. I'll plug it in and show you how simple it is to use. Once I have it fully laid out, you'll see how quickly and quietly it'll actually inflate. And compared to other air mattresses, this one was a lot quieter. The mattress also allows you to adjust the firmness by twisting the knob so you can tailor it to your comfort level. As the air mattress inflates, let's talk about the material. The surface has this luxurious flock top that's really soft to the touch. It's skin-friendly, breathable, and designed to be waterproof. What's great about this mattress is that the material is 30% thicker than typical air mattresses, which helps with the durability and comfort. Inside, it has a design that keeps the air evenly distributed, which means better support for your whole body. It's not just going to sag or make noise when you move around, so you can sleep soundly. Speaking of support, this mattress can hold up to 660 pounds, making it strong enough for 2 people. The bottom has a grippy material that keeps it in place, so you don't have to worry about it slipping around. Plus, it is designed to reduce noise, so even if you toss and turn, it does stay quiet. As for the durability, the thicker material and strong seams help prevent any air leaks, so you don't wake up to a deflated mattress. It is also waterproof, as I mentioned, which makes it a great option for both indoor and outdoor use. So if you guys are looking for a new air mattress, definitely look into some by Vosser. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.